It was Halloween on the island of Sodor, and all the engines were having fun. They loved, and I mean loved, Sir Topham Hatt's fire. What the fuck is going on here? And the children, dressed up as, okay, those are just really bad dollar store costumes. Even the engines loved getting in on the Halloween fun. Alright, what are you two idiots dressed up as?
A trick or treat, the cranky. It's me, Mara James.
Why do you get to be Mario? Nobody wants to be friggin' Luigi.
Shut up, Percy. You're green, so you're gonna be Luigi no matter what.
Oh, Mario and Luigi. Oh, how original. Such bad costumes. You're getting Necco wafers. That's all you're giving us. You suck, Cranky. The engines also loved Edward's ghost stories. They say that every Halloween, the ghost engine looks for its lost whistle. Woo! Woo! Then the blob came. Oh wait, I did that. Let's make this quick and snappy. Thomas, Percy, how about Arthur? You're all going to the scrapyards. Scrapyards on Halloween? Yes, on Halloween. But hopefully it shouldn't take too long. Oh, Percy's not scared of missing the fireworks. He's scared of ghosts. Thomas, please shut up. There's no such things as ghosts. There's no such things as ghosts. Hey, Percy, look up there. Is that what you call a ghost? No. I think that's just a piece of twisted scrap. Blah, 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 blah. I'm the ghost engine. Give me your whistle! Shut up, Thomas! Okay, the regular voice of Arthur wasn't available to be in this video, so I'm just gonna do his voice with a really bad Owen Wilson impression. Enjoy. You see, Percy, none of us are gonna be brave all the time. I'm not scared. I'm just a little anxious, that's all. After about an hour, give or take, the work was nearly done.
Well done, you three. Now I only need one of you to finish up for the night.
Mr. Foreman, would it be possible if Thomas can stay after?
Meh, I don't mind. What, do you think I'm gonna be haunted by a ghost or something?
Ah, splendid. Just take care, or you'll end up like the last engine that did the last night shift.
There's no such things as ghosts. Isn't there? There's things as ghosts. There's no such things as ghosts! Ghost whistle! It's a ghost engine! Percy, Thomas was kind of a dick earlier. You know that, right?
Thomas, I'm sure he didn't mean it. Besides, I don't want to miss the fireworks, you know.
He's after me! I don't think he's gonna be late, you know.
Okay, no more Red Bull.
Hello there, Henry. I mean, Oliver. I mean, Pussy. Yeah. I'm glad you can make it so you can watch this awesome firework display. Yeah. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the fireworks.
Where's Thomas? He was supposed to watch the fireworks with me. Also, are you drunk or high?
Yeah, Thomas is deep down inside of all of us, within our hearts. He is deep underground the Magic Railroad with his best friends, John Lennon and Ringo Starr.
You know what? You're no help. I'm gonna go look for Thomas on my own.
If that's the way you want it, then fine. We're getting a divorce.
Hey, Thomas? You doing okay there, buddy?
Yeah, I'm fine. Look, Percy, I'm really sorry for teasing you earlier. Maybe everyone was right. Maybe I was a dick to you.
What are you talking about, Thomas? You're not a dick. You're one of my best friends. Friends make fun of friends all the time. So come on, buddy, old pal. We can just watch the fireworks from over here.
They're 2, they're 4, they're 6, they're 8, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew, all with different roles to play around Tidmouth sheds or